Hey guys, it's Geoff, and we're back, and we're in the new pad, and it's great, and it's taken us a while to get. You're doing you dill hole. It's taken us a while to get set up, but we're good to go now. I've got to remember how to do these things and take my my hands out of my pockets. We thought we'd christen it with what's become a bit of a household favourite: Korean-style barbecue meatballs, which are quite lovely and punchy and full of that Asian-y goodness. It's going to be good. I just have no idea what to say on these things anymore, so we're just going to get on with it. Tick, 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 boom. Let's go. Barely.
Okay, wow. This is your mate, your only mate, the fly.
There's a bloody fly. I'm going to be like Mike Pence. I'm going to be sitting there doing this shit with a fly on my head. Remember that? That was pretty funny. All right, Korean style barbecue meatballs. So, 500 grams pork, boom. 500 grams beef, boom.
Stop saying boom.
Just regular beef mix. Chuck that over there. Get the fly out of here. What the hell? Bloody thing. All right. To that, we're going to add a small red onion, which I have pre-diced because I don't think you need to see me chopping it. Chuck that in there. You could also use green onion if you like. That's quite fine. We also have, actually we'll sweep that out of the way, because actually what I should have done first was add the gochujang, because I need to spread it on the beef so that it mixes properly, or on the pork, or whichever one's on top. Gochujang Korean red pepper paste, epic stuff, punchy as, beautiful flavour. About a tablespoon of that. Don't be shy, and just kind of mix it around a little bit so it starts to spread, so that you don't have to do too much work with your hands afterwards. Give that a bit of a wipey wipe. Beautiful. I can't do that thing.
Dad joke. Dad just.
Too old, I'm going to break a hip. To that, a thumb-sized piece of, what's a bit more than a thumb-sized piece, but an inch-ish. They're meatballs, so don't have to be too accurate. Some ginger, freshly chopped. Chuck that in there, gives it a good punchy flavour. Beautiful. Some soy sauce, about, I don't know, a few tablespoons. Let's see. Yeah, about kind of that much. Probably about 3 tablespoons full, maybe. That sounds good. Cracked pepper. Just waiting for Yasmin to say,
"Why do you put too much pepper? Always put too much pepper."
I'm very tired.
There we go. There you look at.
As do you, my friend.
A bit dishevelled.
Not at all.
Some cheeky breadcrumbs. I reckon about that much, quarter cup-ish, something like that. Beautiful. Have I forgotten anything?
Did you coordinate your top with the, looks like the cupboards? Kind of, on the video you match a little bit.
Sort of, is it a bit matchy-matchy?
A bit matchy-matchy.
Well, you know, what are you going to do? Oh, that's a very nice wine. Beautiful. That's it, I think. Are we good?
Dunno.
Blah, blah, blah.
A whole lot of stuff out there. Are we good?
Yeah, no, that's all for the sauce later. All right, so after that, we want to get some gloves. I don't know where I put them. There they are. Because I don't want to have to wash my hands. And some people get really grossed out with the touching of meats, which I don't quite understand, but anyway. Gloves on, and mix. Get that all mixed in. Oops. Man overboard.
Is that going to stain the bench?
I'll wipe it in a minute. Don't worry about it. All right, just until it's well combined. Just like that.
Don't overmix it.
We're done. Relax, woman. Relax. Everything's going to be okay.
Don't call me that.
Don't call you that. Okay, so what you should do is leave this in the fridge for an hour. Let them get to know each other, but I can't be bothered because I'm doing a video. So we're going to form these into balls right now. I'm just going to go grab a little bit of olive oil to put in the pot. Just here.
Oh, right, yep.
And I got dirty hands and I don't care. That'll be fine. I'll wipe it after. There we go, beautiful. All right, and you want to form these into even-sized meatballs.
Balls.
Even-sized balls, dude. Balls. About kind of like that.
Quite big.
About that big. Something like that.
Something you dream about.
Look, you know, it... Touche. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. In fact, what I might do is what I will do is I'll get the scales and I'll put in the description below how much my ones.
But you could
weigh.
make them for a starter and make little balls, or you know.
You could, and then it would.
Gorgeous finger food.
And then it would be a quicker cook and finger food. But yes, you could do that. Yeah. So we'll just add these in here like that. I mean, this is not too difficult, right? So I might speed this up.
That'd be nice,
yeah,
considering
so-
I'm leaning over.
Actually, I won't speed it up. We'll just do a jump take and we'll come back in a minute.
Sounds good.
So that's that. Weigh them out. They're about 110 grams each, my ones. They're a little biggish, but that's the way I particularly like them. And if you're serving them on like a bed of rice or fried rice, or if you want to be good, some bok choy or pak choy or one of the choys. Pick one. Chinese broccoli. Then it's a good meal size, I think. But anyway, you'll see when we get this done. So 110 grams each, that fills this tray perfectly. Kamado Joe is coming up to temperature at somewhere between 180 and 200 degrees Celsius. Anywhere in that range, you're gonna be fine. And they'll cook for about 25 minutes-ish, I think, 20 to 25. We'll time it and we'll let you know. Put it up on the screen and we'll go from there. Outside of that, let's go put them on and we'll have another drink. What do you reckon, Yazzo?
Sounds like a treat.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
And in we go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So about 20-25 minutes, we'll time it, we'll let you know. Okay, 25 minutes, we're good to go here. So I gave these a turn halfway through and we're good to go. We'll take these inside and we'll get the next bit done. All right, so we want to take these out of here, first of all, and just set them aside. Okay, heat on. Two cloves of garlic, just pop those in. And we want to just saute that around for 30 seconds or so. To that, we want a splash of rice wine vinegar. Turn the heat down to medium. Deglazing. But we don't want it to deglaze too rapidly. Beautiful.
I did the business off the side.
All right, I'm getting there.
That's the flavour.
We want 3-4 tablespoons of soy sauce.
So you haven't put salt anywhere else, have you?
No,
Just soy in
I don't add. Just get me for a minute while I talk. No salt at all because the soy, the gochujang, the hoisin, it's all got salt. You don't need to add any salt additionally to this dish at all. We want a squirt of sriracha, because why not? A teaspoon of gochujang, just to enforce that gochujang flavour. Get off! Mire! There we go. Some honey for the money. Little splash of sesame oil. Little splash of hoisin. Similarly of sweet soy, ketchup menace. Using the whiskey glass that I just had whiskey from, about a quarter cup water. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar, probably 3. It is quite a punchy sauce without the sweetening, so you do need a little bit. And we'll mix that in. All right, after a couple of minutes of reducing, I've made up a little cornstarch slurry here, just a teaspoon or so of cornstarch, a couple of teaspoons of water, and we'll just mix this in just to thicken the sauce a little bit. And if it's thickening too much, like it has just there, put a little bit more water in it, because we don't want it that thick. So just add a little bit more water. That's better. The consistency you're looking for is enough to glaze the meatball.
Looks good.
Of course it looks good. It's Geoff the chef.
Oh, wow.
Thick and luscious. We'll give it a little taste up just to make sure everything's good. Dude. Meatballs back in. And I'm going to turn this heat off, and what you want to do is just kind of glaze the meatballs with the sauce. Just to finish that off, we want a little sprinkling of sesame seeds over the top. Wonderful. And then a little drop of green onion. So you just, I don't like it when they fall in the wrong spot. There we go.
Dead on with it.
Lovely. All right, let's have it. Why are you standing so far away?
I don't know. I'm going to come in and give it a bit of zoom factor.
Let's try.
You're going to burn your mouth. Hope so.
I'm definitely going to burn my mouth.
Hope
Look at the
so.
steam.
Give it some sauce.
Bit of dunk.
Oh, here we go.
That's too much. I've got to cut some.
Oh, too much.
Oh, this is going to hurt.
Suck shit, mate. I can hear the juiciness.
That's so good.
Again, you're eating it over the rest of ours, but anyway.
Yeah, but it's
Family.
family, man.
Not
I could cough on this stuff and you've got to eat it.
probably not.
So good. All right. Chuck that in there. Okay. So, Geoff, what are we having this with? Steamed rice, fried rice, Chinese broccoli, entrees. If you want the hot tip, smashing it up in a nice soft kind of wrap with your usual salady vegetables with some mayo. Holy shit, that's good. Sriracha mayo with, it's so good. That's a lunch and a half, if you want to give that one a crack. Why are you making faces at me? That's legit so good if you do that.
More sauces.
More sauces, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, leave comments. We like a good comment. And apologies for the absence. We'll be much more regular now that we're, I guess, a little bit settled in here and tradesmen aren't in and out constantly. We've got a few good shows planned, so a few ideas I'm mulling over.
Okay, it's dinner time now. Bye-bye.
There's enough videoing, Geoff. Get lost, Geoff. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.